Chapter 5, Molecules and Compounds. So, sugar and salt. These are things that you probably have in your kitchen at home. We're familiar with them. What we refer to as table sugar is a chemical compound called sucrose. And here's an illustration of a sucrose molecule. It's got carbon atoms, they're signified with the black spheres here, and it's got hydrogen atoms, the little white ones, and oxygen atoms, the red ones. The properties of sucrose are very different from the properties of the elements that compose sucrose. Yes?
Sorry, I have a quick question. Did we have to know those?
So, oxygen is a gas that we breathe, right? Would it be good to breathe sugar? No. Oxygen is also necessary for combustion. Hydrogen is a flammable gas. Sugar will burn, but not in the same way that hydrogen does. Carbon has different forms. One is a beautiful form called a diamond, which looks a little bit like sugar, but don't try eating it, right? You're going to break your teeth. Diamonds are one of the hardest substances known. Another form of carbon is graphite, which is illustrated here. Graphite in your pencil lead. Pencil leads, by the way, do not contain any lead. So that's a slippery black substance, very different from from sucrose, right? So the compound is very different in properties from the elements that make it up. This is the element sodium. It is a soft metal. You could actually take just a table knife and cut it. It's shiny. It's very reactive with water. This is chlorine gas. Gas at room temperature. It's got a yellowish color. It's toxic if you breathe it. So both of those things, not good to ingest. When sodium comes in contact with water, it generates a lot of heat and hydrogen gas and bursts into flame. Would that be good to eat? Sprinkle on your meat? No, not so much. When those two combine, they make table salt. So here's table salt. White crystals, they dissolve in water. They don't react with water at all. You sprinkle them on your food, makes your food taste better. Now, too much salt is bad for you, but not enough salt is also bad for you. The properties of the compound are very, very different from the properties of the element. And that's what this section is trying to get across to you.